Hey boys and girls, today we're going to practice perimeter again. Remember, when we find the perimeter of a shape, we're going to add up all the outside measurements of the shape together. So if we were in class, you would have this paper in front of you and you would be using a ruler to figure out all of the side lengths. But we are not in class and I don't have a way to get the paper to you except for through your iPad. And so instead of having you find all the side lengths yourselves, then I just put down measurements for you. So these are just measurements in units, not specifically like inches or centimeters. We're just like yesterday, we're just using units. Okay, so to find the perimeter of this shape, I'm going to add my side lengths together. So here I have shape A. I'm going to add each side together. So I'm going to do 2. And after I write down the number to add it in, I'm just going to put a little dot by it to remind myself I've used that number. Plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 equals, here I can add my double, so I'm going to add 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 plus 8 equals 12, so then I could come up here and write P equals 12. Okay, the next one I'm going to do is shape B. So I'm going to add 1, a little dot next to it so I know that I used it, plus 3, plus 2 equals, and so I would add them in any order that works best for you. So 1 plus 3 equals 4, plus 2 more equals 6. So my perimeter here is equal to 6. Okay. And next I have shape C, so I'm going to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. I'm going to have 4 2s, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. I used up my 4 2s. Plus 3. So I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s, so 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Plus 3 more equals 11. So here, my perimeter is equal to 11. And then I want you to go ahead and do shape D on your own. On the next slide, you'll do shape D. But I'll show you how to do shape E since it's a non-regular or a non-rectangular polygon. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to add up all of your side lengths. So since I have so many, I definitely want to put a little dot next after I write the number. So I'm going to have 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Oops, I forgot to write my dots. 2 plus 1. It's a good thing I wrote that dot because I was about ready to write another 2. But I don't need to. So then I'm going to double check to make sure I have all my numbers. So I know I used 1. Let me get a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then I should have 6 numbers up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I'll add them all together. So now 3 plus 3 is 6, and then I can find a 10, so 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 10 is 13. And I still have this 2 up here. 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. So my perimeter here for shape E is equal to 15 units. And make sure we have that units label on all of them. I did forget that. Units. Units. You get to do D on your own.